Many of you want to know if you and your spouse or partner can work in Australia with your overseas qualification and experience. So today in this video, I'm going to talk about not only working in Australia full-time, but also living in Australia permanently. Towards the end of the video, I will give you a special tip on how your spouse or partner can also become job ready just as you when they arrive in Australia. Now before I proceed, have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, then do so now. Otherwise, you will miss out on my upcoming content on YouTube. Let's get going. To work in Australia full-time, you will need a visa with no work restrictions. There are different types of visa options available, but in this video, I will be talking particularly about the most popular or most straightforward visa option for overseas professionals who are less than 45 years old. This visa does not require any nomination or sponsorship from Australian state or Australian employer and is purely based on your independent points and is called Skilled Independent Visa subclass 189. This visa will not only give you full work rights but also permanent residency in Australia. Here are the steps involved to apply for this visa. Step 1. You should have your profession listed on Australia's Skilled Occupation Demand List given on this website. If your profession is listed, then check the name of assessing body which is next to your profession. The role of the assessing body is to assess your overseas qualification plus experience and inform you if your skills are relevant to Australia's requirements. You must have a positive outcome for your skills assessment to be eligible to apply for this visa. If your skills assessment is positive, it indicates that your skills will be recognized in Australia and it should not be too hard to find work in your profession. Step 2. Check if you can score at least 65 points in the points test table which can be found on this website. The points are based on your age group, English language competency, educational qualification, work experience, partner skills, etc. The higher points you can score, the better it is for your visa application. Step 3. If you satisfy both Step 1 and Step 2, then lodge an expression of interest on this website. After you do this, your application will be ranked against other intending applicants and you might be invited to apply for the visa. Step 4. After you get invitation to apply, you can apply for the visa online through this website within 90 days of invitation. The processing time for this visa is 18 to 27 months and cost starts from 4,000 Australian dollar and will add up if you have dependents on your application as of 2021. There is a chance that your occupation is not covered in the Skilled Occupation Demand List. In that case, you may have to look at other visa options such as Skilled Nominated Visa subclass 190 which requires a state or territory nomination. If you want me to make a separate video about this visa, then let me know in the comments below. Now is the time for the special tip to make your spouse or partner job ready when they arrive in Australia. If your spouse or partner has migrated with you on the same Skilled Independent Visa 189, it means they also have full work rights and permanent residency in Australia. But what you don't know is if their qualification and skills will be recognized in Australia because your spouse did not go through any skills assessment process as you did. I know many people who think that their overseas qualification or experience is not enough to work in Australia and they will have to either study or upskill. But that's simply not true. In fact, for people on permanent visas, every Australian state and territory has an overseas qualification unit that offers free assessment to have your qualifications recognized, which will help you get a job. For the state of Victoria, your spouse can apply for overseas qualification assessment on this website. If your job requires registration or license to work, for example, a nurse or a teacher, then you will have to go through the relevant skills assessing authority. After getting your degree assessed as equivalent to Australian standards, you can mention this in your resume, which will help ease your job hunting. I hope this video has given you some clarity about working and living in Australia permanently. If you like my content, then please make sure that you click the thumbs up button. Thank you all for those who have subscribed and appreciate my work. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye.